Oh my God.
Before the car saw us, we've seen it.
Oh my God.
I don't know where to start from, literally, but it's a very good way to start the month. It's a very good way to start the month. So I was home last night and Derek, Demzy, D to the EMCY, the president, the LMF president, he called me. I was like, yo, babes. I was like, babes, what's up? What's going on? No, I called him. Did I call him or he called me? No. He texted me first. He texted me first and he was like, I'm going to pick up my new whip. I'm going to pick up my new ride. And I want you to accompany me. I was like, oh my God, say less. Like, I'm honored to be on this. Like, you really want me to accompany you? He was like, yeah. I'm exaggerating. I didn't get to that part. But then, today will be me taking you guys through the whole day today. It's going to be an awesome day with Demzy. I couldn't stop thinking. I couldn't stop reflecting on what he had been through, what he has been through, I couldn't stop thinking and reflecting on what he had. English self no dey come. I was just reflecting on what he has been through, the work he has put in himself. Like Demzy now, he buy car. Egba me. Yo, so he's coming to pick me up. I'm going with my boy Prof. And basically, I'm just gonna take you guys through today. I have a very good feeling about today. So I'm almost ready. I just want to put something for Belema chop. May no be say person they go jubilate, you know, find something chop, you know, find something for mouth chop, you understand? Person where they jubilate for chop food in order for them to get energy, jubilate more, you understand? Wonder boy! Wonder
I called Rachel and Lisa. I told them, we were like, oh, okay, they wanted to take on it, and they shouted. I was like, oh God. Like, I didn't know how, like, when I was telling them to, I was trying to be very, like, I was trying to mind my words, you understand?
Mind your words how?
Like, make I know how to tell them.
Then the mind words for carry your own by. Or you were shy?
Kind of, yeah. Then after that, I called home.
You told them this?
Yeah, times I told after, it was like, yeah, after I finished speaking to you, I called him. And he was like, bro, so you go get them brand new. Bro, that's
zero bar.
Yeah. Look, and I called Kunz, I called Nature, I called Aliyah, I called Kesh.
You did a lot of calling.
The only person I've not called yet is
Cobbles.
Key guy.
Did you tell Cobbles?
I don't tell Cobbles yet.
Hey!
Cobbles, you're making me surprised. When you come back there, you see how they are.
I should say they come back today.
Yeah. Because you know, Kesh say where we did, where are they go pick up from? I say that's like, wait till they come. I say, okay, no, yeah. So
let's
it's me
go.
and you when they come.
Yeah, it's me. It's me and you they go.
Swipe from.
Only them is exposure.
It's crazy. I couldn't sleep. Crazy.
You couldn't sleep.
Yeah.
Why is AC not AC?
Yeah, it's this thing. I don't worry. I'll return it today or tomorrow.
Oh, I mean, you get cars from.
Is it?
Evex.
Yeah, like they said the gas is finished. It says the gas. I couldn't sleep. I was just thinking.
What are you thinking about?
A whole lot, like not in a bad way though, but like how did we get here? That vibe.
How did you get here? What is we? How
But
did
we
you
now-
get? No. You know, be me to go buy the car. You know, be me way buy the car. How did you get here?
It's crazy.
Prof, are you learning? You are learning. Did you hear what he said? We're going to get a car. We have gotten it. We're going to pick it up. It's not second hand though. Brand new. Fresh
Yeah,
from the box. Leather go this.
Yeah, everything. I be hard. I think we check my YouTube, man. You see, I just watch our phone. Like I'm just watching the car. Like things that I need to know about the car. Everything.
Play with the play now. Start on play with the play with those. Go buy car. Like play small play with the play. Now small play now. We also go learn how to drive. Small play with the play.
Which one is small play?
With the play.
Oh no, they play now. Grand. No. That name is big.
Wow, you switch this to me right now.
No,
Stop.
No, you can't play when you're
like doing that too much.
No,
I'm talking about me switching.
No, you can't play around ground because Charlie, everything about it is big. So if you want to do something, Charlie, it better be worth it, like, because you can't be around.
Why didn't you shave? I want to pick your car. You know, shave.
Yeah.
I wasn't even expecting this kind of dress. We were supposed to like shada.
I think I shada them well. Yeah, I know, right?
Like some agbada or something. Is Lisa coming?
No, they are writing exams. The only person that's coming now is Kesh. I have to call Nature. Kindly call Nature for me. Just tap on the phone and then you go to speed down. You see him there. Let's go. Let's Nature. Nature. But I said they made me emotional. I swear. But I said that's now.
See, I was driving here. And then I parked. I was about to curve to the junction. And then I parked.
That means you're not home if I even told you the thing.
No! And I parked. I said, how did we get here?
From walking.
Thinking of how you get there. You don't even buy second hand. Say, my user at least for mobility. You top the notch. That's what I say. You want your things, they don't have big. They don't got to go here and say more.
No, but you know that's how we kind of go like.
Don't
like,
nah.
Now what's now?
Nah.
I know, but if you want.
If I don't buy something, I don't buy terrible. And they tell you my mind. And they tell you. But you, don't go daddy.
Oh.
You're big.
No, I made no. Not that I didn't make other inquiries. I did though. I made inquiries.
But some you like this that I know. You could just be like, make I just buy them once.
Yeah,
if I get them, make I just buy them once.
Yeah, that's true.
The child is not picking up.
Yeah, he's calling me.
Can't call him again. Maybe he's sleeping. Did you talk to him this morning?
I spoke to him. He woke up. I was even showering one way.
Where's Kesh? Kesh is in town?
Yeah, Kesh is there already.
Oh, okay.
And you packed a lot of stuff. Are you going to shoot content?
Yeah. Okay. Is it that place that you showed me? That showroom? Hey.
I just went there.
So, that means they even cost us. We were passing sometime and I said, oh, we'll even come and shoot video here. It will be nice. So I don't know say start on get motive.
Which one?
It's not the one after the under bridge. Or it's another one.
Sorry, the person you called cannot answer.
Is it easily gone?
No.
Later. Sorry,
like I'm going to spin it.
Cannot answer at the moment. Please try again later.
I don't know.
Oh, you've seen it, because we're using that road too.
Yeah,
you've seen it, you need a Shyman. Yeah, it's there, it's on the right. It's on the right from the side. I went to a lot of places though. I swear, I went to a lot of places. To make inquiries about it.
And that place was better.
Yeah, and you. Secretly, you know things about this car. You've been doing your own search.
What I do?
How do you know how it go to motors or whatever?
I know it now.
How?
What do you mean how?
How?
I've been making inquiries.
So that means if you do it, and I saw following Nigeria's God. Lisa Kwama said, where and yes, I
make my inquiries for door, no. For real, when you were saying that, oh, if you don't buy, you go buy high car. I say, maybe you don't go buy them now. For real.
Yeah, so you just hit
Like, no, see Tundra, those high cars.
Okay.
The man of his words. Let me stop that. I tell you, I've always been telling him that, Demzy, when you get money, we go here. God is good.
All the time.
God
is good.
I'm telling you.
I mean, my dad kept on saying, wow. I told him, and he said, so how am I going to go about it? I said, well, I'm going to pick it up today.
Test driving, they have a place with test driving.
I think they should.
You really want to drive it?
Yes, ma'am. You drive it?
I don't fit.
Why you don't fit?
I don't fit. I just want to sit down inside. Guys, yo. Before the car saw us, guys.
Oh my God.
Before the car saw us, we've seen it.
Oh my God.
But I won't tell you the plate number. Will not tell you.
Yeah. This video is going to go somewhere that we don't know yet. Oh my God.
We've seen the car. The car is just in front of Toyota.
Oh my God.
Just staring at the owner. And he came to park just in front. They are meant to be. I feel like we should give the car a name.
Yeah, let's do that. What name do you suggest? Before no car name, back now.
First lady.
First lady.
President, first lady.
Make a give a woman.
Or like the Lena. Yes, now woman now.
Now woman. Bro, the car that to. We are twinning. Oh my God. Bro, so how you feeling? I don't know it. I don't know, bro. Like, so many cameras on me right now. I don't know where to work.
This one passed sensational.
Hey, bro. How do you feel approaching your own ride?
This is not a ride. This is not a ride.
That's a ride. That's a whip.
Good. That's a whip.
Hey, Charlie.
Give me this one, I beg you.
Charlie, then throw that here away. So, as I don't want to guys see. You give me a hand.
I will give you a hand. Don't hug me, leave me. Come back from Nigeria. Let me say come back.
I missed her.
I was texting Rachel all this one.
But you never texted me. Are you guys down with your project?
Get us more right now. You can't go out.
Are you guys down with it?
Don't hold it, or it will sound very, very noisy. You connect your phone already?
Connect to
I connect to this one.
So, we're at the showroom, and we're not in the showroom to ask for prizes. We're in the showroom to actually pick up the car. It's a thing of joy. You do zoom small. You zoomed. It's a thing of joy to know that I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say, but I never entered showroom before. And it's a very good thing to know that my first time coming to a showroom is to come and pick up a whip. Brand new whip. Leather day inside. This one let me say second hand. Leather is inside. It can be what? It's only gold. So this is Endurance reporting to you from our Toyota showroom, accompanying Babes to get his new whip. It's a thing of joy for me. And the happy person safe. Now our car now. Now our car. He's about to take the car keys.
keys.
2 keys. Yes. This is spare key. I'll be holding one.
Yeah.
I'll be holding one here in case.
So I'm giving you 2 spare keys. So you put it first in here. This is yours. This is supposed to be here. So you put one picture here and the other picture.
But this guy is sweet. It's sweet. Black. So, we're going to check the car. We're going to check the car right now and get to see inside and what is inside and what not's inside, and, you know. Yeah. She said when we get back home, we should remove the rubber in the car. Remove which rubber? We're not removing any rubber. The rubber will be there till like 1 year later. Do you understand? Maybe beans. But in fact, if I...
No.
Bro, from the showroom itself, you say what? They will even give you...
I don't know about... Everything.
Hi.
Oh
God.
God.
Oh. If I see anybody eat for this car, if I see any wache,
No, I already
any jollof,
we need a jollof in like somewhere else.
if I see any wache or any jollof for this car inside, you are banging the door, you bang it responsibly, you sit, you close it like this. Like that. Guys, they say get car. Get car now, it means say if you get car, you're not supposed to suffer. The car has a wireless. It has a wireless space for you to charge your phone. You don't need cord. So no cord. I don't want to see anybody do cord, put cord for front for there. It is wireless. It is a wireless charging space. The only place you use wire is at the back seat. Waiting God no go feed do, God don't do out for am. Waiting God no go feed do, God don't do out. It has a rooftop. I'm doing that trend on TikTok. I love you till the day that I die. You know that trend?
Yeah, I see how
Till the day. The roof they open, they close. The roof they open, they close. Roof they open, they close. No go, let's go. We join the new ride. So we're done taking his passport that he was supposed to take before going there, but he didn't. So we're now going back to give them the passports because they were like,
I have my car. I can go back to the driving school and tell them that thank you.
Yeah, look at you.
Look at you.
With all your modesty and everything.
Okay, thank you.
I'll be very proud of.
Yeah.
Your body posture change. Oh.
For real. I'm learning from you. How you guys drive? You guys are driving like.
What is the difference now? This is your car now. There's a difference. There's a difference.
Cash.
On this day, the memories will come out. And it will be like, hey, bro, see what I see right now. This one go by the car.
Yeah.
1 year.
Family too.
I get Cash will take you some picture with the Toyota this thing. Cash.
Yeah, I'm here.
Cash, how you go take picture? Demzy.
They make it come back from
So if for park for you.
Car park for this side.
Hey, for park. Hey, please, you have to take a picture. You want to take a picture? You buy a brand, you cannot take picture. Take picture. It's very important. If only you know. I wish you knew the level of excitement I have inside, because you don't know where we are coming from. You don't know where he is coming from. I'm not even sure we've given you like an in-depth story of what life has been. But hey, Demzy did it, and he did it beautifully, and I'm really, really proud of him. I'm really proud for this step he has taken for himself. The next thing we're going to be celebrating is new house, new land. He'll become a landlord. He will own different complex, paying different people. I'm really happy for my babes. This is an excitement. First time coming to a showroom. As I come showroom for the first time, we're coming out with a car. Is it not good? If it's not good, tell me what it is, man. Tell me what it is. But anyways, yeah, that's all for today. I don't want to make this long because I'll be dropping a longer vlog, the UK vlog. Watch out for it. But yeah, you know, boom ski, boom boom, ta ta lele to the world and back. Signing out. You know what time it is.